Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer multi-state filing setup in Avalara for small business step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Avalara account. Navigate to the settings section on the main dashboard. Locate the sales tax option within the settings menu. Select Manage Tax Profiles from the drop-down list. Choose the existing multi-state filing setup you wish to transfer. Click on the Export option to download the current filing setup. Open the exported file to review the details of the configuration. Ensure all relevant information is accurate and complete before proceeding. Next, go back to the Sales Tax section in your Avalara account. Select Create New Tax Profile to set up a new filing configuration. Input the necessary business information for the new profile. Use the details from the exported file to replicate the multi-state setup. Adjust any state-specific settings as needed based on current regulations. Once all information is entered, click on the Save button to secure the new profile. After saving, navigate to the Filing section within the new tax profile. Set the appropriate filing frequencies for each state included in the setup. Review all settings to ensure accuracy and compliance. Finally, activate the new multi-state filing configuration. Your multi-state filing setup in Avalara is now successfully transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.